Alright guys, we're back with another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find your solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it guys. I hope the video helped find that resolution you were looking for. And, if it did, please, I'd appreciate it if you could hit subscribe. Until next time guys, that you need more technical help, I hope you have the good one. Cheers.